From heartbreak to harmony, my ex and I found our way back. It's not easy to find harmony after a breakup, but for some couples, it is possible to find their way back to each other. My ex and I are one such couple. After a heartbreaking split, we were able to rekindle our relationship and are now happily in love. The breakup was hard on both of us. We had been together for almost 5 years and had built a life together. We were both devastated when it ended. We were both hurt and angry and had no idea how to move forward. We both needed time to heal and process our emotions. We both took the time to reflect on our relationship and the mistakes we had made. We both realized that we had made some mistakes and that we both needed to take responsibility for our actions. We both reached out to each other after a few months and started talking again. We were both hesitant at first, but soon realized that we still had strong feelings for each other. We started spending time together and slowly started to rebuild our relationship. We both worked hard to make sure that our relationship was healthy and that we were both happy. We both made sure to communicate openly and honestly and to always be there for each other. We both put in the effort to make our relationship work, and it has paid off. It's been almost 2 years since we got back together and we are still going strong. We both have learned a lot from our past mistakes and have grown as individuals and as a couple. We both are grateful for the second chance we have been given and are looking forward to a bright future together. My ex and I are proof that it is possible to find harmony after a breakup. We both worked hard to make sure that our relationship was healthy and that we were both happy. We both put in the effort to make our relationship work, and it has paid off.